The illusion of affordability. When I first landed in Pattaya, Thailand had just dropped the COVID quarantine from 10 days to 24 hours. The whole country was running on COVID discounts, and it felt like a clearance sale for grown men. Ocean view condo, one bedroom, one bath, two rooftop pools, two gyms, a workspace that felt like a private Japanese lounge, super fast Wi-Fi, and a 5-minute walk to the beach. $360. I thought I hacked the system. Turns out I showed up during a fire sale. That same unit now, it's going for between $650 and $800. And depending on how green you look, they'll charge you closer to the top of that. Because here's the trap. Most guys come here thinking Thailand's cheap, and it is compared to back home. But that comparison, that's how you get played. You're measuring against your old prison, not the life you actually want to build here. The real game, it's timing, it's leverage, and it's knowing what the hell you're doing. All right. Now, if you don't mind a little rain, here's the cheat code. Arrive just as high season ends or a couple months into low season. That's when the landlords get nervous, agents get flexible, and your negotiating power hits peak. Book 3 months minimum, ideally a year, when the prices dip, and you'll lock in leverage. I just did exactly that. Same building I had during COVID. Ocean view, rooftop pools, the works. Now I've got it again for a year, and it's only $40 more than it was back then. But here's the kicker. When renewal time comes around, it'll be low season again. Meanwhile, my buddy, fellow vet, good guy, just showed up and dropped $800 for the same damn unit. Wrong timing, no leverage. It still felt like a deal to him because it was 60% cheaper than his rent back in the States. But the agents, they saw him coming. So here's your move. Tell the agent calm and direct, this is what I'm offering. If they laugh, smile, say okay, thank you, and walk away. Not emotional, not desperate, just like a man who knows the game. Because now you do. Okay, survival mode, 1,000 to 1,300. You can make this work if your idea of freedom is sweating through your sheets a little bit, skipping insurance, and counting bot-like calories. You'll find an older condo or fan room out in East Pattaya or a dingy studio behind Soy Buakao. AC, maybe. Your water pressure will be good. Your diet might be compromised a little bit, maybe eggs, rice, noodles. Your nightlife's going to be YouTube and regret, and you'll tell yourself you're being frugal. But let's call it what it is. It's survival mode with a beach nearby. Yeah, you're living, but it's tight. Maybe better than the life you left, but it's not easy. It's worried. You're not planning what's possible. You're running the worst-case scenario in your head every night. What if I get sick? What if I need to leave? What if something breaks? You're not free. You're living on the edge. And unless you've got some serious oh shit money stashed away, you're gambling with your health, your dignity, and your options. Now, it sounds harsh, but this is Pattaya. There are places in Thailand where you can live well on 1,000 to 1,200. Chiang Rai, Udon Thani, certain pockets in Isan. Pattaya is just not one of them. 1,500 to 1,900. This is the floor for sanity. A real one-bedroom. John Tiem, Pratamak, maybe Thepraset, if you know where to look. Clean building, reliable AC, a gym that doesn't smell like disappointment, Wi-Fi that actually works when you need it. You're not rich, but you got breathing room and time to do the things you enjoy. Insurance, you got it handled. If you're under 59, no problem. 62 and above, you're going to have to add $300 to it every month. Just do it and be a grown man. Steakhouse date, you're not sweating the check. Sandals break, grab a new pair. Visa check-ins, cool. You've got the buffer. You're no longer budgeting like a scared tourist. You've got breathing room. You can actually enjoy Pattaya, hit the beach, grab a massage, have a weekend, and your mind, it's not spiraling or spinning anymore. It's steady. You're not thriving yet, but you're stable. And for the first time since you landed, you feel human again. All right, elevated mode, 2,200 to 3,000 plus. This level isn't about flexing. It's about having room to think, to move, to breathe. You wake up clear, your bills are handled, your place looks good, smells good, and you're not embarrassed to open the door. You're not reacting to life anymore. You're in control of it. You've got rhythm, you've got margin. If something breaks, you fix it, no panic. You're not rich, but you're calm. And out here, calm is the game. And here's a kicker. You can get help. You can hire someone to clean your place once a week, another person to pick up your laundry and bring it back fresh. You might even have a part-time assistant, someone with a car who helps you handle the errands, the logistic, all the little bullshit. Those 3 people buy you back time, and in return, you're giving them good work, steady pay, dignity. It's not just smart, it's mutual elevation, and that's the real reward. All right, why you really moved here? Living tight isn't noble, it's noisy. Your mind's cluttered, your comfort's compromised, and the stuff you thought would feel good, it starts to slip out of reach. You didn't move to Pattaya to live scared. You didn't fly across the world to ration AC and hope nothing breaks this month. You came here because you wanted better. Simple, not cheaper, better. Less stress, more time, a life that feels good in your bones, not just in the captions. But most guys miss the mark. They think that the goal is to live cheap. It's not. The goal is clarity. The goal is comfort. The goal is control. The goal is living and building an elevated life. And when you got those, you're not surviving, you're thriving. If you know someone who needs to think better, send this to them. We're all in this together. No judgment, just back up. Think sharp, live smart, and I'll see you in the next one.